Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you 5 quick and easy DIY hacks that only take a few minutes to make. These include a no-glue fluffy slime, a touchscreen stylus, and mini macaron species. If you like what you see, then please click that thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel Sakker. First DIY hack is how to make your own touchscreen stylus. Believe it or not, the secret to this tutorial is a packet of crisps. First eat the crisps and then take the empty bag and cut it open, then use a face wipe or soapy water to clean away all the oil. Now cut out a piece a bit longer than your pencil and place it silver side down. You can get these little pencils for free from any IKEA shop. Wrap the foil around the pencil and tape everything into place. Then fold and stick the ends together. The important part is that the stylus needs to be exposed foil and your hand also needs to be touching the foil. This conducts the capacitance from your skin to the screen, and it's really fun to see it work. Most touchscreens will only react to a certain minimum size, so if your pen doesn't work, then try to make the tip part a bit bigger. I found that having a wedge-shaped tip like this was a lot more effective than a pointy one. The next idea is a perfect fluffy slime made without any glue. I started with 4 peel-off face masks, or about 32 milliliters. This recipe is very forgiving, so you can simply eyeball the amount and it should still work. Then add some shaving foam or shower foam. I'm using Boredom, which German viewers will recognize immediately since it's created by the YouTuber Phoebe's Beauty Palace. Simply squeeze it into the face mask and mix well until completely combined. You can add more to increase the volume, but make sure it's still slightly sticky. The final texture should look like whipped egg whites. Now add 4 pinches of baking soda and mix again. The tasty donut baloo smells amazing, a bit like strawberries, vanilla, and bubblegum, so I decided to use some food coloring to turn it pink. Lastly, just add a squirts of contact lens solution and mix until the slime comes together. Peel-off face masks contain PVA, so they work perfectly fine as a substitute for glue, but the result is actually slightly different to glue slime, so you can have lots of fun experimenting. I find that face mask slime stay softer for longer and they don't turn smelly, which often happens at glue. This fluffy slime has a bouncy jelly-like texture and it looks just like bubblegum. The next DIY is a Starbucks charm that you can use as a keyring or decoration. Start with at least 1 clear Frappuccino cup. If you want to make a lot of these, they can simply order water or ask for an extra cup at Starbucks, and they should usually give it to you for free. Then cut out the logo, leaving a very small edge around the outside. Now remove the base of your hole punch and slide the logo into the slot until you can just about see the edges of the star on her crown. Just punch a hole through the center and you're done. Of course, I made the very basic version to qualify as a 5-minute craft, but you can jazz this up in many other ways. The fourth DIY is an easy way to make mini macarons squishiest. Start with some mini makeup blenders. You can get these quite cheaply from many drugstores or fashion chains like Primark. You'll need 2 of each color for every macaron you want to make. Cut off the base just about here and trim the edges so it looks like a macaron shell. You can always continue using the top part as a beauty blender if you don't want to waste any supplies. Once you put the bottom parts together, these already look like adorable little macarons. For the next step, you'll need plain white silicone or white deco cream. Fill your macarons with cream and be careful not to get anything on your fingers. Silicone is really hard to get off skin, and if it does happen, then you have to rub it off using a cheap plastic bag. Once the cream is about 5 mm thick, you can press the top part of the macaron together. You can also add an eye pin to turn it into a charm or a necklace pendant. Then leave these to dry for 24 hours and you can start having fun with our squishiest. The next DIY is a scented Play-Doh using only 2 ingredients. Start by scooping some cornstarch into a bowl. This recipe is very easy, so there's no need to measure anything. Then add some body lotion and mix well. Simply keep on mixing until you get a thick dough. This is really stress relieving to play with, and it's great for helping you concentrate when studying. Please note that this is not a slime because it doesn't contain any PVA or borate. Slimes must stretch when you pull on it, and this one simply falls apart. I've seen people using this method and calling it butter slime, but unfortunately that's not correct. Real butter slime can only be made by mixing slime and clay together. However, this center dough is still great fun to make, and you can change the smell and color using different types of body lotion. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, and share, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. I will come back with another video soon.